Hi, and welcome to the walkthrough of your Accounts and Passwords Manager. In this video, I'll guide you through all the steps so you can start using your password manager right away. From setting it up, to tracking updates, and to securing your most important logins. At first, you will see the Instructions tab. In this tab, we have explained each section of the template in more detail. It contains useful information to get started and guides you through each section. Read everything carefully so you know what to expect and what to do. Next, we will go to the Setup page. This is the command center of your tracker, and we will need to fill out some details here. Start by adding your name. Then, toggle on the button where it says you understand and acknowledge your responsibility to keep all your stored information secure. Now, we will start with the base layer of your tracker's protection. We will add a password to the tool. Make sure you store this password somewhere. Start by filling out a password that you can easily remember, and click on the lock icon right next to it. After clicking the lock icon, a pop-up will appear, requesting authorization for an app script. When you see this message, simply click OK to continue. This is important for the lock function to work smoothly. After this, a new window will appear on your screen. Enter or choose your preferred Google email address and continue. Now, you may see a red warning screen. Don't worry, because this is normal for custom-built scripts. We have built this protection script ourselves, because Google Sheets does not have this function by itself. When you see the warning, click on the part where it says Advanced. Then, navigate to the section where it says Go to User Password, and proceed. It may say unsafe. This is a standard warning from Google and is not something to worry about. Only the script for the password to run will be enabled. Then, when prompted, click Continue to grant access for the script to run. When the script is enabled, you might have to re-enter and refresh the tracker again. This is important for the tracker to run smoothly. As you will see, the tabs are now hidden behind your password protection. You will need to enter the password that you have set to unlock the tracker. When entered correctly, the tracker opens up, and you will be able to see all the tabs again. Next up, we will enter your email addresses. Simply fill out all the email addresses you want to store, and choose which type fits best. Then, you have the option to change colors and give the tracker a personal touch. As you can see, we have already added some categories. Feel free to remove them if they are not correct, or to add more categories. If you want to change or add a new color to a category, it's important to fill out a HEX code. Entering a HEX code will automatically source the correct color, and it will be displayed next to your category. When this is done, you can check the categories next to it. As you can see, we have added several items already. Please feel free to remove items if they don't fit your preference, or add new ones that are not yet on the list. Now, the setup is done, and we will continue to the password log. This is where all your passwords are stored. For each account that you have filled out in the setup page, start by adding all the information. Choose the category and application, the name of the account, under what email it is registered, and the username. Then, fill out your current password for each account. I will now fill out a few examples. When entering your passwords, you will automatically see whether your password is weak, strong, or very strong. This is already a good indicator if your password needs updating, or not. Then, you have the option to add a link to each account. Plus, you can enter the last time your password was updated, and if you would like to update your password after a certain amount of time. If you choose a date when your password was last updated, and an interval, the tracker will tell you when it's time to update your password. If you don't want to use this, no problem, simply choose Never as an interval. Also, for each account, you can store your security question and its answer. And if you want to add notes to certain accounts, that's possible here as well. After adding all your accounts and passwords, you might have a few visual password indicators, telling you your password could be stronger. To solve this, we will go to the Password Generator tab. In this tab, you will find our password checker and password generator. To check current passwords, simply enter the password you want to check in the text field, and click Enter on your keyboard. Now, the tracker will tell you whether your password is weak, strong, or very strong. It will also tell you what to improve and why it is giving its rating. You can also choose to have a new password generated. Simply click the On and Off button in the Password Generator section. It will generate a very strong password for you in a click. When you want to use this password, click once on the text field. Now, use Ctrl and C on your keyboard to copy it. Or, you can use the right-click on your mouse and choose Copy. Try to avoid double-clicking the text field cell, because you will copy the formula instead of the password. After doing this, we go to the last tab, the Home page. Here you will have a quick glance of what's happening. Let's dive in. In this tab, you can quickly see what the status of your passwords is. Visual indicators will tell you where the problematic passwords are and what the issues are. You can also enter your set password here to unlock the passwords of the problematic items. In this tab, it's also possible to find passwords quickly if you'd need them. Use the Account Finder and select the category, application, and name, and all the attached information will appear. Here it's also important to only click the password text field once if you want to copy it. Because clicking the password text field twice will lead you to the formula. And that's your complete walkthrough. I hope you found the explanation clear and helpful. If you still have questions, please feel free to send us a message or email. I hope this tracker helps you to get more organized in your digital life. Thank you for using our tracker, and I highly recommend checking out our other items as well.